in a massive pro-freedom rally organized on the 170th birth anniversary of G.M. Said, one of the founding fathers of modern Sindhi nationalism. Protesters raised the placards of Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other world leaders to seek their intervention for the freedom of Sindhu Desh. The people raised pro-freedom slogans during a massive rally held in Said's hometown of San in Jamshedpur districts of Pakistan's Sindh province on Sunday. They claimed that Sindh is the home of Indus Valley civilization and Vedic religion, which was illegitimately occupied by the British Empire and was delivered by them in the evil Islamist hands of Pakistan in 1947. Among all these barbaric assaults on its history and culture and all these ages of occupation and dawns of independence, Sindh has retained and maintained its separate historical and cultural identity as a pluralist, coexistent, tolerant and harmonious society, where all the different cultures, languages and ideas of the foreign and native people have not only influenced each other but accepted and absorbed the common message of the human civilization, said Shafi Muhammad Barfat, chairman of Jai Sindh Mutahida Mahaz. He added, this historical synthesis of religion, philosophies and civilization from the East and West has given our motherland Sindh a distinct place in the history of humanity. Barfat told ANI, while the Sindh gave India its name, the Sindh citizens who pioneered in the fields of industry, philosophy, marine navigation, mathematics and astronomy are today chained by the Islamofascist, terrorist and constitutional forced Federation of Pakistan by the military might of Punjabi imperialism in the name of Islam. There are several nationalist parties in Sindh who are advocating for a free Sindh nation. They have been raising the issue on various international platforms and calling Pakistan an occupier that continues to exploit resources and involved in human rights violations in the region. Our nation believes in universal peace, unity of humanity and human development, and our country has remained as an independent nation on the face of the earth for thousands of years. But today it is enslaved by Punjabi colonialism in the name of religion and through the might of the military. The Sindhi people do not want to remain in the oppressive slavery of the terrorist state of Pakistan, and therefore we appeal to the entire international community to step forward and support us in our struggle for national independence from the fascist, theocratic Islamist terrorist state of Pakistan. Sindhu Desh is a demand for a separate homeland of Sindhis, which was emerged in 1967 under the leadership of G.M. Said and Piravali Muhammad Rashdi. A large number of Sindhi nationalist leaders, activists and students were disappeared, tortured and killed allegedly by Pakistan's security agencies in the past few decades. News Desk Kaumudi, English.